Oh! Oh, I forgot to read the signs. Heard. Fearful for our lives, we surrendered to the heaven of their greatest magician, sealed us down with him. Can enter the sea, but only beings with a powerful soul can leave. Only one way to reverse this spell. A huge power, equivalent to 7 human souls that destroyed. But this cursed place, interesting. No way a human could come here. Been trapped here forever. You're gonna fight? Special enemy Timmy appears here to defeat you. Rated 10 out of 10. Loves to pet cute humans. But you're allergic. Oh, cute! Oh god. Oh Jesus. Timmy forgot her other attack. No some hunger. Dies. That's just rude. It's nasty. Timmy vibrates intensely. Boy. Am I supposed to have Timmy flakes? Boy, I'm Timmy. Boy, I'm Timmy. Boy, I'm Timmy. Starved to death. Rest in peace. Goodbye. Oh? Whoa! What the shit? What the fuck, dude? Shadow Rays resistance. What the fuck? Mold big. One size greater than mold average. Or hush. Lie down, hug, unhug. Just wiggle. Ow. Ow. Okay. Two lines down. You lie down. Mold Big lies down too. Mold Big understands life now. Or What? What do I do now? Unhug? I No, leave me alone. Ow. Heck. Oh my goodness. I hate wash. I hate wash it. Come on. I'm so bad at this game right now. Ah! He flex. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the... I'm so rich! I'm rich! Without candles or magic to guide them home, the monsters use crystals to navigate. Epic. No! Leave me alone. I die. Oh, come on. Don't at me. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I have 1 health. I've been told to keep that. Oh, there it goes. Ripperoni. Rip in peace. Come on. Stated turn. Oh no, put me back here. Oh. Dog residue even 4. What a monster. Abandoned key. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, now I know. Why don't I just go this way? You know I can't. Special enemy up here. Boy, I'm Timmy. Sounds like a bad idea. That sounds like a very bad idea. No! Oh, how dare you wiggle your hips at me? Trap? Okay. Darker and darker, and I can't see anything. Hello? Hello? I'm alone. 90. Ah! Touche. Dot. 7. 7 human souls. Out of 7 human souls, our king, King Asgore Dreamer, will become a god. That power Asgore can finally shatter the barrier. He will finally take the surface back from humanity. Give them back the suffering pain that we have endured. Oh yeah. Understand, human? This is your only chance at redemption. Give up your soul, or I'll tear it from your body. How about you don't? No! Undyne, I'll help you fight! Yo! You did it! Undyne is right in front of you! You got front row seats to her fight! Oh my god, wait. Who's she fighting? Hey! You're not gonna tell my parents about this, are you? Bone saw is ready. I get you for 3 minutes, kid. I get you for 3 minutes. There's no response.